Good morning, ladies and gentlefolks. This is Cece back with another video, and today I'm just going to switch gears and go into the basics of the Mercari app, which is similar to Depop in that it is an online thrift store where you can buy and sell different products. And if you haven't done so already, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications for any other content I do post in the future. But we are going to get into the nitty-gritty of the Mercari app and what to expect when you get on the app for the first time and set up an account. Okay, guys, so once you go through the sign up process and you get everything set up for where you're going to send and buy different products, you'll be at the home page, and this is what it's going to look like when you first get on there. It's just similar to Depop. You're going to have the recommended for you section, or things that are tailored to the thing, to your interests. So for me, I like a lot of electronics and video games and music. So as you can see, there's some guitars I looked at and some old video games. Yes, I know y'all can't believe it. That's a PS2 because I want to play PS2 games. So when you click on one of them, for example, Mortal Kombat Deception, which is one of the best Mortal Kombat games ever, just saying. This is what it's going to look like when you click on it from the seller's page. So you can see when they posted it, what their selling price is, how many people have it in their cart, the condition, the brand, what category it falls under. You can click on details about the platform that the game will be on, and then the description in which the people will show you and tell you everything about the product that they're selling. And you can also add tags, which will make it actually better if people are looking for the specific item that you're selling. The tags will help tailor the algorithm so that your listing will pop up when people look for it. And they'll actually put the seller's profile information here. So if you click on view profile, they'll give you a little background information about themselves and everything that they're selling currently and everything that's sold in their inventory. And then we are on the like section, and I mentioned this earlier in the video, but anything that you star, similar to Depop, you look up something and you want to keep it because you might buy it later, you can hit the little star icon right there next to what the item is. And then if you just want to save the search for later, you can go to save searches. So you can just go in here and I'll type in a cup. And if you want to save the search for later, you can just type this, and then everything regarding cups or anything similar to it, it'll be here. And then if you want to go back to your save searches, you can just hit the likes button, click that. And anytime the searches are updated with new items that people post, you'll see it here. So I haven't really checked these recently, but there's been additional 99 plus items added to these searches in the my likes and the save searches section. So we are now on the selling page. So anytime that you list anything, it'll be right here. You just scroll to the right and you can see everything that you have for sale. Your total earnings will be up here, and you can also look at your stats. So if you click on that, it'll show you your account balance, how many listings you have active and any inactive listings as well. And it'll also show you your revenue, your profits, how many items you listed and completed sales, what your total average pricing is, and impressions and every item views, likes, and everything of the nature. So you can go here and look at your stats if you're just curious about it. And anytime there's like any reports or disputes, it'll show up right there as well in the action items. And also when you come back to this page, they have some listing ideas, and then it'll also give you some frequently asked questions about how Mercari works, how to ship and package everything, and they also provide you some tips on how to get things sold. So that's just a little bit about the selling page. And there's also the seller protection, which is also offered on this app, which is nice. And then if you click on that link, it'll give you everything you need as far as what's protected and what's not. So the last section that we are on is the profile section. So here you can see how many people that you follow, and what your following is, your balance will be there as well, and then any coupons that you obtain. Your ratings will be right underneath your profile ID. So if you click on there, you can see your reviews, and you can see what the buyers rated you and the sellers rated you as well. And if you want to look at what you've sold, what you're selling right now, or in your listings, this is the other way you can get to it. You can go to your profile section and click the selling button, and it'll take you to that page that we were just on. And if you want to see what you're buying, you can see where it's in progress, and then anything that you have obtained and rated already will be right here in the completed section. And then if you go back, you can go to settings and update anything regarding your account, your address, your banking information will be right there in the settings section, and everything else will give you guidelines and frequently asked questions under the help center and how Mercari works. And the more you sell things, the little badges they give you, which is pretty cool. So that is the overall things that you will first see when you open the Mercari. Okay guys, so that was just a quick overview of the app, and when you first open it, what to expect. I will be making a second video about payments, because they are different on Mercari versus Depop. When you sell something on Depop, you get the payment automatically, but on Mercari you get paid based on when the person actually receives the item and they rate you. So I'll go into more detail about that on the very next video. But if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and be on the lookout for part 2 of how the Mercari app works. Until then guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and peace out.